Now I'll show you a demo of what it looks like when your system becomes infected with ransomware and all of your very important files are held hostage. On screen are two windows. Now on the left, you're looking at your typical everyday files, Microsoft Office documents, PowerPoint, and a few other files such as audio and video. And those could be files that you may have at home. And depending on the type of role you have at work, you might have to deal with audio and video files. But essentially, these are your typical files. Let's execute the CryptoLocker ransomware. This system you're looking at, it doesn't have the EDR solution implemented. So this will give you a realistic idea of what happens when you have not properly protected your PC. And now we will execute. You can choose either yes or no. The effect will be the same, and you'll see what happens. If you look on the left, remember all of those files. We had family pictures, we had HR letters, we had payroll documents, we had all of those things. If you look in the background, what has happened is it now gives us the ransomware window. So the files on the left have been encrypted. If you notice the extensions, they say .encrypted_RSA, and this is the window from the attackers saying, hey, you need to pay over money. But just to pause a little to help you understand the kind of effect, right? Now, if you are at work, these could be files relating to payroll. If you work in finance, in the finance department, accounting department, there are additional sample files that I've put here just to help you get a realistic idea of what this means. This could be HR-related documents, offer letters, payment instructions from accounting. There could be, here we have export of backup data. We have also export of source code data. We have quite a few files that you might have, and it all varies based on your role. But in the end, the effect is that you will lose access to these files. And this can be the difference between your business shutting down or your personal affairs shutting down, because important documents that you need, you cannot access them without paying this ransom. This system is now dead. So in this system, we have the same files on the left. Just remember to keep an eye on the files on the left. As you see, there are Excel documents, Microsoft Word documents, images with your family pictures, videos. Here we have a video of baby's first step, videos of corporate events. So lots of different types of documents to help you understand that nothing will be spared. Now let's execute Ragnarok. Remember to monitor the files on the left. Now, if you notice, all of the files now have the .ragnarok extension, right? And if you look at the top of this list, there is now a text file. It says readme to decrypt. Now let's open this text file. This is the ransomware note from the Ragnarok ransomware. So now we've done two samples to help you understand what it looks like when ransomware is executed and what the effect is on your files. Now let's look at this same type of process on a system with the EDR solution installed. This virtual machine has the EDR solution from Simply Secure installed. And what I'll do is to copy those same ransomware samples into this machine so that you can see the effect. So now I've just connected a flash drive, and I will connect them to this machine called the SS demo. So these are our ransomware samples. We will copy them. We'll go to downloads or any other folder, and we will paste them here. Now, if you look at the bottom of the screen to the right, these are the detections which are happening in real time. Now let's do it again so that you can see the effect that happens in real time. These are 43 different types of ransomware, same ones that we just executed. Let's copy, paste. Now you see that they've been copied into the machine, right? But now, if I refresh, they have already been deleted. And on the right here, the Sentinel one, this is the EDR solution at work. I hope that you now have a realistic understanding of what ransomware looks like, the effect it will have on your system, what it also looks like when you have proper protections in place to protect whether your system at work, whichever endpoint, whether it's a PC, whether it's a server, whether it's a mobile device, and your truly personal computer with all of your important files at home.